So as we see in our Indian society, we have a tendency to compare. Sharma ji ka beta better ya Gupta ji ka beta better. So as we compare all the asset allocations, how can we compare mutual funds with other assets like gold or maybe equity or maybe some other financial allocation product?
Okay. See, mutual fund is just, as I said, is a vehicle. It is not the final product.
Okay.
Mutual fund manages gold also. Mutual fund manages your growth asset, stocks.
Right.
And mutual fund manages your fixed income assets. And nowadays you can also say that to the extent mutual fund manages your real estate also. I'll tell you how indirectly they are managing their real estate. One concept is REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, which are the listed stocks. So their function is take again the money from investors and develop the land parcel into commercial, into residential, into retail, and lease out to people. And whatever rental income comes is distributed. Okay, those are called REIT. And in kind of real estate return, suppose I have invested in an apartment or I have taken a land. My return, if it goes well, it will give me a good return. But if that doesn't go well, I will not get any return. So my average return I cannot compare with REIT, because if I am very lucky and that will be really having a good return. But if somebody wants to participate in general to a real estate, they can very well participate through real estate stocks or REIT, which will give you the similar kind of return or average return the real estate has given. And that is much simpler, because physically you are not going anywhere, you are not signing any agreement, you need not bother about disposing it, you need not to be carrying, मतलब आपको कुछ maintain करने का भी कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, because these are all in the paper and again managed by the professionals, right? So the structure is very simple for a common investor. But what you asked me ki how you compare investment, mutual fund investment with respect to gold, real estate and fixed deposit kind of. Fixed deposit will be always like interest rate, average interest rate like 6-7%. As I already mentioned, gold will be always in a range of 9-10%. And if you are talking about real estate, the long duration real estate average, which I have seen from many research, this is around 11-12% long term returns of this asset class. And finally, as I already mentioned about the different kind of schemes in mutual fund, where the index gives you from 12-13% to as high as sectoral fund
like
or particular multi-asset fund, which gives higher return. So there it is all about that. So if you compare, your fixed income 6%, gold is 9-10%, real estate is 11-12%, and growth asset something like 12% onward, upward of say 25%, depend how you are positioning. So obviously this is the area where you are supposed to allocate higher amount of money. But that doesn't mean that you should not invest in here. You have to have fixed income to take care of, like I said, contingency and other requirement. You have to have insurance to take care of your health insurance, life insurance. You have to have some amount of gold in your portfolio, either physical or through mutual fund. Then you should have also investment into the real estate. Your primary residence is a requirement. Your second house is another requirement. But beyond that, investing in real estate to gain higher return is not warranted. There is an option to invest in growth asset and earn much higher return. So to create wealth, you have to have, invest into the growth asset. So that is the solution.
So can we state this way that mutual funds has all the options of these asset allocations with a comparatively lesser risk than actually going into that asset?
Definitely.
Gold directly लेने से better है, मैं gold mutual fund लूँगा, तो easy भी होगा, risk भी comparatively कम होगा, returns almost same होंगे.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's the best point.
The very reason for this is that it is managed by professional people.
Right. Absolutely. Got it.
So when people are managing professionally, obviously they will not make mistake, and the result is bound to be good.
Okay.